signs of her. I can't find her anywhere.
Where could she be?
Oh, goodness, God.
We can't possibly say that she went to the village when she had no money with her.
Maybe
so how
it's possible she went to the village. You know, I didn't even think about that. It's possible. She could have gone out there, begged and got some money from people. I mean, who would want to help her with those bruises? She could have told him that she was trying to run away from her uncle who was trying to hurt or rape her. And then they will help her out.
Baby, come on, your words are not encouraging. Why would she even go back to the village? I mean, it doesn't make any sense.
Maybe because of her dead mother's memories.
There's nothing there for her in the village, baby.
Maybe her friends. Think.
Maybe I should just go to the police station and report that Angela is missing because I think she's still within this town.
Can you even listen to yourself talk, baby? So what excuse are you going to give them? I mean, what would you even tell the police that made her to run away in the first place? That we had to flog her until she passed out?
Baby, not we.
We are one.
Well, I'll do anything within my power to make sure she's found, safe and sound. That's the most important thing to me.
You know, after the deliverance, Angela ran away from the house.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Shayla really did it without losing her angelic image.
Yes, you're right. Well, you know, the bad news is that Marcus is not happy about this and he feels guilty. You know, that's why we need to do something about it immediately.
You're right. But how do we get a man that is miserable about his missing niece be generous with money?
You know, Ruth, we don't need to ask for it. We have to get it by force. As I speak to you now, the loan sharks are threatening me. So we have to try as much as we do. We have to make sure we do it on time.
You're right. Tell Shayla I will come to the house to see her.
Okay, no problem.
We need to plan
I will be
it.
on my way right now.
I know this is small to be compared to the mansion you are coming from. But you just have to manage with me, okay?
Ma, this is far better than the place I was, the incompleted building I was that almost got ripped.
Oh.
I'm so happy I was untouched.
Chai, you must have been through a lot. Look, I just want you to relax here till we figure out what to do next, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to eat anything?
No. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yes, I want to eat.
What do you want to eat?
Anything. I'm very hungry.
It's okay, don't worry. Let me quickly get water for you. Fix water for you to have your bath.
Okay.
Relax. Drop your bag there at the wardrobe.
Okay. Auntie. Thank you so much. You're just like my mother. Without you, I don't know how I will survive in this harsh city. Thank you.
It's nothing, okay? You are my baby. You are just like my kid sister. Listen, I wish I can take away your pains and fears. But I can't do more than this. Because I am just human. I just hope everything will be fine. I just want you to relax yourself. Hope everything will be fine. And I pray so. I want you to stop thinking about anything. Auntie Sarah is here for you. Welcome to my house, my baby. I'm coming.
Baby, I have good news.
What is it this time around? Did you find Angela?
Something close to that. I have this friend of mine who introduced me to a private investigator. Trust me, he is internationally recommended. It's very good, but quite expensive.
So are you trying to say that he's going to find Angela and bring her back to this house?
Maybe he's not just going to find Angela, he's going to bring her back safely. And we're talking about 5 million naira here.
Wow, this is the best news I've heard so far ever since you left this house. I'm going to give you the necessary requirements that you need. I don't have issues with that. 5 million you will get first thing tomorrow morning.
Really?
I'm serious. I mean, I will do anything to find Angela. She's all I've got now.
Don't worry, babe. You know we are family. And I promise you Angela will return back. Okay?
I just hope so.
She will.
But wait, how come Sheila is able to raise that amount of money? That huge amount, 5 million naira. Hi. Now, Well, anyways, I'm happy, or at least we can settle this loan shark disturbing us, threatening to harvest my kidney. Hi, Sheila.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
No, you are not. You are not okay. You don't have to pretend to be brave. I know you are hurting inside. Look, it hurts me so much that I cannot take away your pains.
Auntie, you've done enough for me. If not for you, I would have been sleeping outside by now.
Are you sure you don't want to return home? Because I know your uncle loves you so much. He will be miserable looking for you everywhere now.
My uncle loves me, but he doesn't trust me. What is love without trust? That is the only way people hurt those that they love. Lack of love and trust is equal pain.
You are still a young girl, but you speak so wisely. Anyone that has you as a family member is so lucky. Look, I want you to know that Auntie Sarah loves you so much. And I want you to know that you are not alone on this.
Thank you, Auntie.
I want you to calm. Relax. Stop thinking about anything or crying over anything. I am here for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
I hope Boniface will not have problem having her here. He hates it when he comes around and has to share my attention with even work. Come to speak of human being. What am I going to do now?
Who is Boniface? I'm sorry, I interfered again.
No, you don't have to. But how did you know the name Boniface? I was just thinking about it now. And
It might sound awkward, but I read people's mind. I hear people's thoughts. My uncle doesn't believe me about it. It was that same ability I used to know what his wife was planning.
wow. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh my God. Look. Can you not read my thoughts again? I want to remain private.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry I read your thoughts.
It's nothing. It's okay.
But maybe if we're together, you shouldn't think about private things again.
Wow. You're amazing. I love that.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay. So, what are we eating?
She can read your mind and hear what you say.
I think you saw the announcement on the television concerning your disappearance. Right now, your uncle is willing to pay a huge amount of money just to have you home. Do you think you still mean nothing to him?
My uncle is a very rich man. So his pocket will never run dry if he removes 1 million from his bank account. So he's a very rich man.
You know people will be on lookouts for you. Because the money we are talking about is a huge amount of money. How will you go out?
Are you not tempted to take the reward? Go ahead. Call my uncle. Tell him that you found me so you could claim the reward.
I won't lie you. I actually thought about it. But no. But your safety and your well-being is more important to me than the money. I just want you to go home willingly. I don't want to force you. Yes.
Thank you.
Look, if you still don't want to go home, you can be here. Just feel comfortable. But I want you to say, I want to go home. From your heart. Then I'll take you home. Because I am getting scared. Seeing how people are looking for you. Please. I want it to come out from your heart. What do you think?
I don't know.
It's okay. I'm going to give you some time to think about it. Anything you want, I am here for you, okay?
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, babe.
I recognize her from...
My love.
I recognize her from the TV and some posters around the city.
Angela, meet my boyfriend.
Oh, this must be the Mr. Boniface, right?
Yes. You recognize him?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Look, I would like you to step out a bit. I want to discuss something with you.
Okay, I'll just go.
It's okay.
What's going on? Where did you find her and why haven't you made the call to claim the prize? Listen, 1 million naira will go a long way in paying for my mother's operation and I will still have some change left in my pocket.
I know what 1 million naira can do for both of us. But what about the child's well-being, her safety? That girl has been through a lot. She almost died. I cannot take her back to people who hurt her just because I want to claim a reward of 1 million naira. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Can you even listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself talk? Listen, you're going to make that call. Else I will make it myself and I will claim the reward.
No, please. Don't do that. Please, I am begging you in the name of God. Don't do that. I just want you to give me some time. Give us some time. I want to fix things with her. I want to know what to do about this whole thing.
My love, I am giving you 3 days. 3 days to do the right thing. Else, I will claim the money myself. You know I can do that, right?
3 days? Just 3 days? No. You can't do this now. Please. That girl is still a small girl. She doesn't know anything.
Are you her mother? No, we are talking about 1 million naira. 1 million naira, for God's sake. Can't you think? We need this money.
I know I'm not her mother, but I feel for her.
You're getting me angry.
Do you want something?
You were not taught how to greet, right?
Greet who exactly? You? The one that touches me without my permission while I'm sleeping. I know everything that happened last night. I know what you were trying to do.
Okay. So, I'm supposed to be scared, right? Think I don't know you like it. You like it? That was why you could not tell her the truth. I know. You came up with some cockroach story. You like it?
The only reason I didn't tell her that is because she will get hurt. She loves you so much, and I could not be the reason for her to be sad. I cannot. But if you try this thing again, I promise you, I will tell her, and she will end things with you.
You think you're special, little witch. She will not believe you. Yes, she will not believe you. And I will kick you out of this house before you ruin things for me. If not that she shares her salary with me and takes care of my sick mother. Who needs an old hag like her when I can have a young, sweet and fresh skin under mine? I want to have her. I must have her today.
Before you think of doing that thing that's on your mind, let me remind you. My uncle is very rich. Very rich. He can lock you up for raping me.
Do you think I care? You're a kid who ran away from home. Irresponsible. Who would believe you? Nobody.
You know, you're a very bad person. I mean, why will you call her an old hag? She splits her salary into 2. She takes care of your sick mother. Why are you so heartless?
And how did you know all of this? Oh, Sarah. Sarah told you, right? I know. She told you.
Why would she tell me? You just called her an old hag in your mind. I know you're up to no good. And I will tell her. She doesn't deserve a man like you. Just take a look at yourself.
No, listen. let me tell you, she will not believe you, okay? You are a witch. You just read my mind now. Who are you? None of that even matters right now. You're leaving this house.
Where is she? How could you, Angela? You are so wicked and heartless. Yes, you pretend to be good, but you are wicked. You try to ruin my happiness, Abi?
Me? Ruin your happiness? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
What I am saying is that you came out from the bathroom instead of you to walk straight to the wardrobe to get something reasonable to wear. No! You tried to seduce my boyfriend with your nakedness. Yes! How could you be so wicked?
Auntie, you should know me. I cannot do such thing. I didn't do it. He has been making advances at me. He even tried to rape me this morning, but I revealed him through his mind when he called you an old hag.
Oh, please! How do you expect me to believe this trash that is coming out from your mouth? How do you expect me to believe it after you have tried to ruin your brother's happiness? Yes! So this is my turn. No, it's my turn. You want to ruin my happiness.
Auntie, that's too harsh. You're hurting me with your words. Your boyfriend is not innocent. You have to believe me. I did not do anything.
Oh, please shut up. You did not do anything. Angela, is this how you want to pay me back for all the things that I have done for you? Is this? I thought I am more than a teacher to you. I thought you are my sister. Why are you doing this? Look, I am very angry now. I don't want to do something that will make me to regret later. Leave my presence. Rubbish. No wonder your uncle's wife has been treating me so bad. Wicked soul. Fool. What is this? How come?
I was shocked myself when I saw her pictures on my phone. I don't know she uses my phone to take pictures of herself. Can you imagine the nonsense?
Boniface.
Baby?
Did you consider me a fool? No, I'm asking you.
No.
So, why do you think that I will believe this nonsense that is coming out from your mouth? I don't understand. So, she took this picture while sleeping or what? What are you trying to tell me?
Come on, babe. It's not what you think. It's just curiosity. She means nothing to me, I promise. You're the love of my life.
Leave me alone. Love of which life? No. I want to understand this whole thing. What are you trying to do? I have been working so hard, praying, for you to see how hard I have worked for us to be together. Now you desire a minor Boniface. You even tried to rape her. You lied against this small girl just to have her.
Babe, come on. It's nothing. It's just a minor thing. We've come a long way in this relationship, remember? We can't just end things because of one small girl. Come on, she's not worth it.
Don't even try it. I should be calling police for you now. The reason I am not calling police for you is because of your sick mother. If not, you will sleep in police custody. Now, leave my house. Leave my house and leave my life!
Don't be like
What
this.
are you trying to explain to me?
Please, we can sort this out. It's nothing.
Sort what out?
She's a stranger.
Oh, you want to let her get married to me. So you will sleep with my daughter, right?
What are you even saying?
Yes, because she's like my sister and my daughter. Oh, no, Boniface. Please, I don't want to talk about this with you. I am done! Boniface, I said you leave my house. Okay, you want me to call police for you? No, just be here. Let me call police. Where's my phone? Angela, please. My baby, eh? It's okay. I am sorry. I don't want you to leave now. I know that I say all those things out of anger, but forgive me.
It's not your fault. Maybe I'm being cursed.
No.
People I love don't trust me. My uncle, now you. Maybe I'm meant to be alone.
Please, don't say this. I trusted you. I am sorry that I poured my anger on you. It's okay. Just forgive me. I knew you were telling me the truth.
I know you've been nice to me. You've been taking good care of me. But your words really hurt me. I took you as my family and told you my deepest secret, but you used it against me.
Please. I just want you to forgive me. You are like a sister to me. I have actually ended things with Boniface. I have investigated it. You are not telling lies. You are telling me the truth. But all I am saying now is for you to forgive me. Please, don't go. If you leave now, where will you go? You go back to those people that hurt you?
I'll find anywhere to go. I'll just find my way.
So you want to tell me now that you have made up your mind to leave me?
Who want to find happiness, but my gift bestow.
It's fine. I can find my way from here. I won't get lost. You can go.
What are you trying to say? You are going home, really?
Yes. Were you not the one that told me that my uncle can spend any money just to find me? And I'm sure that woman is pretending to search for me, sending people just to get money.
So, what are you trying to say now? Explain things to me.
I have come to the conclusion that if I'm expecting perfection for those I love, I'll keep getting hurt and disappointed. People can be deceived and manipulated, but it's only time that will tell when it's not and when it will.
Go straight to the point. What are you trying to tell me?
I'm trying to say that I have forgiven Uncle and you.
Come here. Thank you so much. Your wisdom is always out of this world, but I will feel reassured if you allow me walk you home.
Oh, okay. And I really want you to get the 1 million naira reward.
You want me to get the 1 million naira?
Yes, you deserve it.
But I did it from my heart.
I know you did it out of your heart. Remember, I'm a mind reader.
Come here. Okay, let's start going.
Okay.
So no secret.
Wow. Is it back in the country?
It looks amazing.
Yes, very nice.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Look at you. You're back. I've missed you. Sarah.
Hi.
You found her.
Yes, I found her.
Yes, she found me. And you should give the reward money to her. And add more because she really took good care of me when I didn't want to come back. She's the reason I'm back here. I respect her a lot.
Wow, that's so sweet. I'm happy that you're back home safe and sound. That's all that matters to me right now. Okay. I don't know what I would have done if something happened to you, I would have been frustrated.
My baby, you know, I am very happy that you're back. It's okay. I'm happy you're back. I bet you did not see the slap coming. My acting deserves an Oscar award. Welcome back to hell.
I see how grateful you are that I'm back.
Yes, I am very happy that you're back.
I hope I see no reason of me leaving this house again.
No, nobody will give you any reason for you to leave this house. As a matter of fact, I will ensure that you'll be well taken care of, okay? Nobody will make you cry ever again. I promise you that.
You promise?
Listen, I'm promising you with my life. Sarah, come here. I've missed you so much. Sure. Sarah, I want to appreciate you and thank you so much for being there for her and for also taking care of her.
It's okay.
Hello? Your wife is here. I'm here.
I know, honey. So, send me your account number. I'm going to give you your reward money. And I'm going to add something in extra for it.
Wow.
Just take it as a...
I said,
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
I thought you were happy.
yes. But you should know your boundaries, Anna.
You should know your auntie. Your auntie is always good.
I am leaving. Be good, okay? See you at school on Monday. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye, sir.
All right,
Bye-bye.
Take care.
I'll go and drop my bag.
All right.
I want.
She knows what to think.
Yes.
No secret. She can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gifted child.
Uncle, you look happy.
Oh, you noticed? Yes, of course. I'm extremely happy. I mean, having us all together, back as one happy, large family. I mean, it's a good thing. Yeah, I'm happy. We're here again, looking at each other, eating with love. I mean, what would I have done without you all?
Well, I'm happy that you're happy.
Yes, hello? 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 I can't hear you. Hello? I can't really hear you. Hello?
Honey, you look worried. What is it? Who called?
Maybe, I think it's probably wrong number because I wasn't really hearing him.
Are you sure?
Maybe it's one of those scammers.
You sure?
Yes, babe.
You kind of look terrified.
Well, baby, I'm fine. Trust me.
Okay, it's fine. Enjoy your meal then.
How is this possible? All the money I have been taking from Marcus? You mean Joel has not been paying the debts? Oh my goodness. And now I am being threatened. What happened to the last money I gave him? He needs to start explaining himself. This man is about to ruin everything for me.
She can read your mind and hear what you say.
Get into the car. I'll be dropping you off at school.
You have never offered me a ride to school. You always enjoy me trekking. Am I safe?
Yes, you're safe. And trust me, honey, if I wanted to hurt you, I'll keep you somewhere that nobody would set their eyes on you. Now, this isn't about you. It's about the score I need to make with your uncle. Get your lanky ass into the car.
Can I forget? You're the best Oscar award-winning actress. Nice one.
That reminds me, I got a surprise call yesterday. You've not made payment for the last 2 months. Why? What happened?
I thought I'll be safely out of this country with my baby mama before she discovers everything. Man, this delay wouldn't have happened if not for that crazy agent.
Hello?
I didn't know how to tell you actually. I know how difficult it was for you to raise that money. I was robbed twice, and I tried replacing the money myself before you found out about it. I'm really sorry.
So why didn't you tell me about it?
He's lying. Why are you lying? Eh? Auntie, he's using the money that you gave him to sort out his trip with his baby mama in overseas.
Just shut up your mouth, you small witch. What do you know?
You're not his real love of his life. Oh. He has another person.
Trust me, Angela. Joel cannot do such thing to me, right?
No, I can't.
No, he cannot. And if you continue running your mouth the way you're doing it, trust me, you will live a short life on earth, even though you're destined to do so. Do I make myself clear?
You know what, honey? I think we need to get rid of her permanently. You know, she's using these mind-reading games to manipulate me, to make you hate me. She doesn't want us to be together. It's so clear.
Yes, I understand. You just ignore her.
I know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she hides all. So no secret, no secret. She has it all. So no secret, no secret. Cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, no secret. She can hear your thoughts.
And you tell me, is this your own way of punishing me? I mean, why are you lying? What do you derive in telling lies?
What will I gain from lying to you? Why will I lie to you?
The same question I've been asking myself. And that's why I'm asking you now. What is okay? What exactly do you want from me? You want me to end up isolating myself from my closest buddies? You want me to stay away from my families and become lonely and bored? Is that what you want?
Well, I do not have time for that. I wanted to sit and watch him play you. But I was so overjoyed that Kama is at your doorstep. Just like the way you betrayed my uncle. He trusted you. So uncle, you got married to and he trusted you. And also, the man that you're having an affair with is playing you.
Listen, if you 1 inch talk to me like that again, I swear to God, I'm not just going to cut off your ears. I will feed them to the stray dogs. Oh! And you want to listen to me? I find that you're lying about all these allegations. I will so deal with you. And get lost.
I wouldn't have come here to
Know what you're planning. Even your deepest thoughts, she hides all. So no secret, no secret.
How could Joel do such a thing to you? I mean, you two have been together since school days. When did he have a child?
My dear, I don't know. Seriously, I am as confused as you are. You know, I can't believe this. This fool has been gathering my money all this while, so as to run away with his baby mama and his child. And I had no idea about it.
How did you find out? I mean, such secret is protected with life.
You're right. The little witch I have in my house revealed it. I mean, she was so happy and glad that the person close to me, the closest person to me, betrayed me.
This is unbelievable. After all you did for him, men are indeed scum. What are you going to do now? I mean, if you ask me, I would say you abort the plan and be real with your husband.
No, don't say that. I don't love Marcus and you know it, and I've come too far for me to abort this plan now. No, I'm not going to do that. You know, I think it's time for me to get pregnant again.
My happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of task upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I heard and unveil.
Hey, baby.
Hi, darling. Why are you so excited?
I am more than excited. Guess what?
What is it?
I have something for you.
What is that? Are we celebrating something? Why are you so happy?
I'm so happy because I have something to show you.
Okay. Let's see.
So this is from our hospital.
Hospital?
Yes.
What? I'm going to be a father.
That is it. I'm 6 weeks gone.
Baby, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for doing this.
You're welcome.
I'm a lucky guy to have a beautiful girl like you to be my wife.
Thank you, baby.
You're everything and more that I want in a woman. My next word is still going to be my wife. I'm serious about that. And because of that, show you how happy I am. Baby, I'm going to call the lawyer so he can transfer half of my properties to your name. Listen, I'm not just that. I'm going to give you a share in my company so you can be part of the owners.
No, baby, you're joking. No, you're joking.
I mean...
Oh, thank you so much, babe.
You're going to have my child.
Yes.
And I'm not praying for tragedy, but I just want to make sure that you and my son will have something to survive with, just in case if anything happens. I don't want you to suffer.
Thank you so much, baby. You know, I think it's time for me to just go inside, prepare something very special for it. Don't keep me waiting.
What do you have in mind?
Inside. Something.
What do you have in mind to prepare? Something like?
So we can be able to celebrate this.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll prepare something very special. And I'll be waiting for you inside.
Right after.
I'm coming.
Okay, baby. See ya. Don't keep me waiting.
And I'm vain, the hidden enemy. I am not the enemy. Why won't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy. But I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is disguised.
Do you mind leaving my brain? Or do you want some beatings to recite your brain?
I know you're not pregnant. You're playing him, right?
Something you need to understand. As long as you do not see anything or have any evidence, you cannot stop me.
Yes, I realized that since the time you dealt with me and manipulated my uncle. I watched you do whatever you wanted then. But see now, I won't let you.
You're too small. You just don't get it. You're too small. Just a clap of like this, you're gone. You're as tiny as a mosquito.
If I've learned something, it's to fight for those I love than to allow the manipulators win.
Oh.
I'll do anything in my power to stop you.
Why don't you take yourself out of my sight before I crush you? I need to make a very delicious meal for my husband. Guess what? We're about to do a doggy style.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Well, I should be the one thanking you for coming. I would have loved to see you at your school.
I actually came for us to talk about something.
So, what is it all about? Angela?
Yes, Angela. Mr. Marcos, I understand she must have wanted to talk to you about something, then you discarded her, thinking it's just a childish illusion.
Is this refers to her claims as reading people's thoughts? Is that real for sure?
Yes, it's real. She has saved me from bad relationship from it. Actually, she has discovered so many things about your wife. I just want you to give her listening ears. Show her that you really care and love her. You'll be surprised that she will open up to you.
Well, I feel disappointed at myself because I should have given her the room to be able to communicate with me effectively. You know, but Sheila, my wife, made it look as if she's a witch.
Witchcraft?
And she wasn't being comfortable around me and I wasn't giving her a listening ear. I feel so stupid for allowing myself to be manipulated.
Please, don't be too hard on yourself. All I want you to do now is just bring her close. Talk to her. she'll open up to you. Please.
Miss Sarah, I really want to appreciate you for always coming through for her and always trying your best to help us in any way we need your assistance. I really do appreciate, okay?
My pleasure, sir. Thank you so much for bringing me here. I appreciate it. Let me allow you to work. I'll be on my way soon.
Do take care of yourself.
You too.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
I'm just an innocent child who want to find happiness, but my gift bestowed a lot of tasks upon me. If you can listen to me, then I will tell you what I have and unveil the hidden enemy.
I'm so surprised you came to pick me up from school.
Yeah, actually I had to cancel one of my meetings today so I can be able to come pick you up from school, and that's because I also want us to communicate, like we need to talk.
Talk? Did I do something wrong? Am I safe? What is it, Uncle? Oh, there's no problem.
Not quite. There's no problem at all. Just that I felt like we haven't been communicating the way it's expected. You know, for some time now, I understand the fact that you want to talk to me and I don't really pay attention because I understand your special gift. But I believe that if you had pushed harder, maybe I would get to listen to you.
I'm sorry to say this, Uncle, but you're being manipulated by Auntie Sheila. That's why I couldn't insist on how much you believe her or trust her.
Listen to me. Going forward, I promise I'll believe everything that you say to me. I really want to believe you badly, but then I can't be punishing someone when I'm not sure of what the person have done.
She's not pregnant. Do you have an evidence that she's pregnant? Okay, why don't you two just go to another hospital and check? Check for another pregnancy test.
If I'm wrong, then the trust is gone. Angela, I need you to understand that marriage is very much complicated. You see, once doubt creeps in a committed marriage, the trust and commitment that bonds it is gone. In as much I want to believe you, I as well want to believe my wife, because I wouldn't want her being suspicious of my trust for her, because she is my wife and I'm married to her. So if you're telling me anything, I expect an evidence as regards to that, knowing full well that it is going to make it easy for me to react or take any action as the man.
Okay then. I'll give you evidence. Since that's what you want. I can't watch her take advantage of you. You're a good man. You deserve someone better. Someone better than her.
As I speak to you right now, Marcus is already making arrangements with his lawyer. He's planning to transfer everything he owns to Sheila. Even the company.
Are you serious? That is huge. Why can't Sheila just stay with this man? Marcus is a good man. Just imagine.
You have to take emotions away from this. Marcus is the hustle here. He's the target. He's the hit, so we don't have to go away from that. That's the fact here.
See, I have always envied Sheila. I wish I have a man like Marcus in my life. A man that is ready to secure your life financially.
Ruth, what has come over you? You have to focus, okay? Or do you plan to snatch Marcus away from Sheila when he leaves? Because I don't understand what you're saying.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's the plan?
Can you just focus, Ruth? Okay? Sheila has plans of compensating you, okay? If everything is successful.
Okay. I'm sorry. What's the plan?
The plan right now, as I speak to you, once all the transaction has been successfully made, Sheila and I plan to travel abroad and to start a new life there.
Are you sure this man is not going to come for you?
Come for us how? We have planned on undergoing surgery, so definitely we are going on a very new identity. There's no way he will find about us.
Oh, you have it all planned out. You
Yeah.
both have it all planned out.
You see, we've been planning this for a very long time actually, so it's not today. So that's why I say we need to remain focused.
Whatever you plan, you will not work.
And who's going to stop me? You?
You know, my uncle already knows that you're only after his money. It's better you come clean. Ask for his forgiveness. He's a very kind man.
I see. Well, my husband, your uncle, the man that I married, knows nothing. You know why? Because you do not have any proof to give to him. So, honey, why don't you come make yourself useful inside and stop making noise in my ear, John?
If I have ever learned something from you, you will never tell.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm quite honored to know that at least I inspire you. So why don't you show us what you've learned from me all this while?
Oh, I'll show you.
Good.
I will not just tell, but show you.
Nice.
It's time to tell you. Auntie Sheila, brace yourself.
Let's get out.
I know what you're planning, even your deepest thought.
Why do I feel so uneasy? What is she planning this time?
She has it all, so no secret, cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret.
Before rendered her unconscious, she must have passed through shock. That's exactly what happened to her. Thankfully, no permanent damages, just minor concussion, and she'll be fine.
Thank God. How about the baby? I hope the baby is not affected by the fall.
Baby? What do you mean by baby? My wife is not pregnant.
Doctor, are you sure of what you're saying, that my wife is not pregnant?
Mr. Marcos, your wife is not pregnant. When she wakes up, she will be able to tell you the truth. I'll take my leave. I'll be on a phone call away, in case if you need me. All right, take care.
The enemy, why wouldn't you listen to me? I want to save you from the dangers of the enemy, but I'm not the enemy. Oh, the enemy is disguised. Yeah, just listen to me.
Sign the divorce papers. In fact, I should be arresting you for fraud on how you tried to scam me off my properties with a pregnancy pretense. But I wouldn't do that. In fact, I should be pressing my charges. But because of the time we spent together, I will let it go. So what I need you to do right now is to sign these divorce papers, go in there and pack your things and leave my house.
Baby, he hasn't got into this now. We can just sort this out between. Listen, I can understand him with this. But baby, please trust me. It wasn't intentional. We can discuss this. Let's go to the room. We can sort it out like husband and wife.
No, listen. No, you don't care.
Baby, listen, we can talk about this. You know, we're couple to couple. We can.
There's nothing to talk about. Listen, you don't care. You practically do not care.
Baby.
What is wrong with you? As a matter of fact, I almost lost my niece because of your manipulation. You have fooled me all this while. That's what you have done. You have done nothing but fooled me and manipulated me. She always wanted to tell me things, but you made sure that I never believed. Listen, I want you to go in there, pack your things and leave my house.
Please. I'm begging you in the name of God. Please, it was the devil. You remember the last time we got married? I mean, when we got married, there was no issue. We're fine. It all started when she came into the house. It's not me at all. If you ask me what happened to me, I don't know. You remember after our wedding, we were just fine. I think it just started when she came into the house. Everything just switched and changed. Please, I'm begging you.
Listen, it has come to the end of the road for you. All I need you to do is to sign this fucking damn divorce papers so you can leave my house.
Goodbye, Auntie Sheila. How does it feel for this girl to win you in your games? You're very evil. You don't deserve my uncle. My uncle deserves someone better than you.
Baby.
I hope we don't see it again.
Baby, let's stop this.
What do you want to do? Do you want to hurt her? Have you not done enough?
Baby, let's stop.
Get out! Get out!
Baby! 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 Baby, let's talk about... Baby! Baby, please, Amir, let's talk about this, baby! Baby! Baby!
Oh, I believe that we are friends now, so you can call me Marcos.
If it's okay by you, then I will call you Mr. Marcos.
That's right.
Mr. Marcos, how do you feel? You just ended everything with a woman you planned to spend the rest of your life with. I know it's not going to be easy for you.
To be honest with you, it hasn't been easy. It's sad, but I'm jubilated. You know, Sheila was full of nothing but lies. She has done nothing but have manipulated me and lied to me so many times. But it's fine. Thank you for always being there. I must say that you're a very good friend.
It's okay. I didn't do anything. I am glad we have a gifted child like Angel here. Yeah, she has been of a great help. She's amazing.
Angela, thank you for everything as well. In fact, God knows why you came into my life. Well, it will be safe for me to say that you have taken a strong disaster away from me.
Well, Uncle, I'm happy that the evil one has left this place. And also, I want to say thank you for trusting me. Also, I'm sorry I used the violet part. Just that I found out that there was no other way to prove to you that she wasn't pregnant.
Well, that's fine. And I'm happy and thank God that nothing happened to her and the truth was found.
Exactly.
Going forward, Sarah, you know you're a very beautiful girl. In fact, you're a girl that any man would fall head over heels. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I would like to take this friendship to another level, but only if you would permit it.
Say yes, say yes, say yes, say
yes. You're welcome.
Well, okay, I'm jealous. Can I have my own work right now?
So no secret, cause she knows what you're thinking. No secret, she can hear your thoughts. Oh, she's a gifted child. Oh. You say, even your tiniest whisper, she has it all. She can hear